First, we open the box and confirm the packing list. It contains one Suswell T29 thermostat and the instruction, wiring label, power module, sensor, straight screwdriver, screws and anchor. After confirming, we also need to prepare a cross screwdriver and a phone, and start installation. First, turn off the power in your home. Then, remove the casing of the old thermostat. And fan the wiring port. At this time, pay attention to see if the C port is wired. If there is a wiring and don't need to use the power module. If there is no wiring, you need to use the power module. And now our C port is no wiring. First, remove the wire of the old thermostat. And then remove the fixing screws and the old thermostat. Take a new thermostat and open the back plate. And then take down the anti-electric plate. Adjust the position of the thermostat and fix it with screws. Open the heat pump panel, find the wire connect to the thermostat, and remove them and stick the label. Then connect the power module RCGYW wires to the corresponding ports of the heat pump. Then connect the wires from heat pump to the power module and take a photo to save it. Refer to the photo just taken. Connect the wires of the RC, S and W ports of the power module to the thermostat. And after connecting, cover the anti-electric plate. Pick up the case and press it up. Finally, turn on the power to light up the thermostat.